10. Okay, now cosecant is 2 root 3 over 3. So that means I should probably figure out what its partner was at sine. So sine means I'm going to flip it. Alright, so this, if I rationalize, so 2 root 3 over 2 times 3, which would be 6, but I'm leaving it as a 3 because it would just be root 3 over 2. So the sine is root 3 over 2. So same kind of thing. It's a positive, so it would be in the first quadrant or the third quadrant. Root 3 over 2, sine is the y value. I'm dealing in degrees, so I have a 30, 60, 90. The 60 is always across from the root 3 over 2. And I want to go to hypotenuse and figure out how many degrees it is. So theta is going to be 60 degrees for that first one, and it's going to go from here to here and be 120 for the other one. Now some of these, like tangent is, reminder, is sine over cosine. Whenever you have a 1 or a negative 1, it means you had the same value. So the only time we have these are 45, 45, 90s. So it's root 2 over 2 and root 2 over 2. Or positive, negative, some type of positive, negative of root 2 over 2. That is the only way to get a 1 or a negative 1, is with these types of triangles. So since tangent is a positive 1, we're going to function in the first quadrant, we function in the third quadrant. So root 2 over 2, because it's positive, so that'd be 45 and a 45. And these angles are always going to be the same. But now I'm in radians, so I want to go from here to here is pi over 4. That's one answer. And the next one to get from here to that one, so 4, 5 pi over 4. Again, you can look at a unit circle. On a test, I'll give you a blank one if you want to fill it out, so you can just refer to that. That's fine. Now, some of these, definitely, they're patterns and stuff you should know. 1/2 root 3 over 2, root 2 over 2 are the special triangles. Something like this, I have to do a calculation with. So I do second sine with a calculator, 0.8191, and I'm going to get sine, so theta is going to be positive 54.99. Alright, so that means it's a positive. So sine, so theta is that, so it's a positive, so it's going to be in the first quadrant and the second quadrant. Whoopsie. So try again. I need to back that off. Whoop. Okay, I need to be in radians here. So on my calculator, my mode was in degrees. I need to go back and change that over to radians and do it that way, or convert this to radians, which is also fine too. So actually, I'm just going to go up and highlight that and do this and have it be in radians. So 0.96. So 0.96, and this will be 0.96. Remember, this is pi. So from this one to this, that's one of my thetas. Now the other one from here to here, I didn't quite make it all the way to pi. So I need to do pi minus 0.96. So the other one is 2.18 because I'm in radians. Okay, so you really do need to watch these. Okay, so this one, cosine -1, we need to do this in degrees. So make sure your calculator is in degree mode. Cos -1 to get the angle, 0.9848. Should get the angle is about 10 degrees, so that's a positive right here. Cosine is also positive in the fourth, which will be 10 degrees here. So from here to here, theta is equal to 10. And then from here to there is going to be 350. So it's 10 degrees short of a real